What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's Kyle bringing you guys another video, and today I'm going to show you guys this Upside app that I recently used. And if you guys do want to save money and get money back when you guys buy gas for your vehicle, this is the app for you. So stick around so you guys can learn how to use it if you guys have not got this app yet. And yeah, with that said, hope you guys do enjoy this video. And if you guys learned anything new from this video and want to download the app, make sure you guys are hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button. If you guys are new, be much appreciated. And let's get right into the video. So what you want to do is go over to your Play Store and type and search up Upside. The link will be down in the description below if you guys do not want to search it up. So once it's downloaded, you want to click open. And once you open the app, this is the home screen or home page that it comes up with. On the far left, where the three lines are with the green dot, if you click that, it'll give you a list of options that you can click on. It will have claimed offers, history, cash out, free gas, invite friends, my referrals, profile, my wallet, help, and inbox. So this app is pretty cool because you can invite your friends and you can get cash back from your referrals. So that's pretty awesome about this app. I have only used this app one time, and it was earlier today. And it takes 2 to 4 days in order for your transaction to go through and get cash back. So that is what I'm waiting on. So with that said, let's click the X. If you scroll down, it'll give you a list of different gas stations that you can go to and get the most cash back per gallon of gas that you spend. You can even go to the map section and see where the gas stations are, but if you scroll down, it'll tell you the miles and it'll tell you what the gas prices are. They do update regularly, but they don't update to what the gas might be currently at your gas station, so you got to keep an eye out for that. If you click on gas stations, it'll just give you the different gas stations. You can even get cash back if you go to restaurants. There's no restaurants near me that provides for this app. You can even get groceries and get cash back as well. None of those are provided where I am at in my location, so that is pretty bad for me, but it might be good for you. So you can search for a gas station or restaurant or a grocery store, and it will provide that for you. Click the arrow to go back. Let's go over to the money. If you click the money, it'll give you a list of cards and stuff that you can cash out for your earnings. You could link your bank account with the cash back that you get. You have all these kinds of options that you can use. I linked up my bank account, so when I do cash out, it'll just go straight into my bank. So that's pretty easy to do right there. So let's go over to invite friends. Each time your friend buys gas, you get 1 cent. One-time bonus on next offer is 15 cents a gallon. Share Upside with friends and give them an extra 15 cents per gallon cash back the first time they use the app. You'll also get a one-time 15 cent per gallon bonus. Plus you'll earn 1 cent a gallon for every gallon they buy in the future. So that is pretty good, I guess. So if you guys want to use my invite code, it's Kyle2323, all caps. The link or the code will be in the description below for you guys to copy and paste and use it for this app. If you guys want to save some money on your gas, go to my network, and there's nothing in my network except me inviting somebody. They have not accepted it yet. So you want to click back, go over to the 3 lines with the green dot, go to my referrals, and it shows up the same page. And you go to profile, and the gas I buy is regular. What kind of gas do you guys buy? Let me know down in the comments below. Is it regular, premium, diesel? Because that gas is getting expensive. So just curious what kind of gas you guys buy. Alright guys, hope you guys did enjoy this video and learn something new about this app. If you guys do decide to download this app, it will be in the description, or you can search it in the Play Store. But download this app, give it a try so you can save a little bit more cash while you pay for gas. And drop a like on this video and subscribe if you guys are new. Would be much appreciated. And hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.